guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because today I'm going to talk about my favorite underrated beauty products. I have so many products right in front of me. These are very underrated products. I don't think many people talk about these products, but these are like hidden gems. So today we're going to talk about these makeup and beauty products that I have, and I think you will love this video because these are the products which I'm obsessed with, and I always go back to these products because I love them so much. I just love how they work, the formula, the performance, and overall quality of the product. So yeah, let's get started. This product is this Milano SPF BFF SPF 30 primer. This particular product is so beautiful. Nowadays we have so many SPF primers. I think nothing can beat this particular product. Milano, they always come up with so many amazing makeup products. They're not affordable but not expensive at the same time. There's something in the middle. The price range is, you can obviously purchase Milano products. The price is in the middle, but I think their quality is high quality. This is like a skincare type of product for me. Obviously it's a primer, but I just love using this for my no makeup look days when I just want a little bit of something on my skin just to bring back the hydration and the glow. And after that I go in with my concealer and I just love how my skin looks. This particular primer is not going to fill your pores. It's more like a hydrating, blurring type of a primer. It's definitely going to bring back some glow, some hydration. It's very lightweight at the same time. Plus you are having SPF 30 as well, which is not enough. You have to use your SPF, like your regular SPF, and after that you can use this. And this primer is more like a creamy primer, which I really love. Does not feel heavy on your skin. It's like a thin, lightweight layer of makeup, as you guys can see. We have a skin tint, which I think is so underrated. There are so many skin tints in the market, but I haven't heard anyone talk about this particular skin tint. This is from Chambord, and this is My Match Skin Fusion Fresh Tint with SPF 50. We are going into that SPF line, obviously. Sun protection is so much more important, and we have so many products like foundation, tinted sunscreens, primer, lip balms, blush, bronzers. We have so many products with SPF now, and I think a full face of SPF now. Just love this brand. I have used their products before and I know how they perform. This is a really good brand when it comes to their makeup products. The shade range is not really good, which I'm gonna mention, but I think the finish of this product is so beautiful. You should check out my reel section for the entire video details. I reviewed this product. This is in the shade N02, which is my perfect shade, and it's for rupees 745. This particular skin tint, it gives you this natural thin light layer finish, which is so beautiful. Plus it also covers up your blemishes, your acne marks, or whatever imperfections you want to hide. It will hide that, and also it will make your skin look very natural at the same time. It's like your skin but better type of a product, suitable for all skin types. Literally any skin type can use this. Does not clog your pores, does not feel patchy or dry on your skin. It just gives you that perfect amount of natural looking glow. I have some more foundation and complexion products. So another product which I really love, and I talked about this product before as well, this is Nude Sticks Tinted Cover Foundation. If you want your skin to look like a filter, like literally flawless, no like blurring, velvety, natural looking, but still it's like all covered up, and you want to use a foundation, this is a foundation for you. This is like a skin tint plus a foundation, and oh my god, this product is so good. I love this product so much. Worth purchasing. It's quite expensive. It's so good. It's in the shade 5, nude 5, and it like fits my skin tone perfectly. The only thing I don't like about this, that it can leak from here, like you can see the messy packaging. Rather than that, I think this product works so beautifully on your skin. No matter what skin type you have, this foundation is going to look so natural, flawless, literally flawless, and gives you that matte blurring finish. it's like not super matte but not glowing at the same time. It gives you that blurring velvety type of a finish, which I think is so great if you're looking for a foundation like that, which is going to give you that lightweight finish, natural looking, but also a matte blurring type of a product. This is the product for you. Even if you have texture on your skin, it's going to make your skin look so blurred out. Obviously your texture is not going to go away, it's going to be there, but still your skin is going to look very beautiful. And I think if you want to try a high-end foundation, go for the nude sticks one. Go for the nude sticks one, because I can guarantee you that you will not be disappointed. This is an amazing product and very underrated. I think no one talks about this product anymore, and this is just amazing. Product from our Indian brand is KIRO. KIRO foundation. This is their serum foundation, which is more like a skin tint, but I will not say this is a skin tint. It contains a foundation like coverage. It is a foundation, and why I'm saying this a skin tint, because of this beautiful natural glow that this product gives you. It contains hyaluronic acid plus niacinamide. That's the reason it just gives you this beautiful glow on your skin. If you're looking for that glowy looking foundation, I think this is the product for you. It's so beautiful. Also contains vitamin C at the same time. It's very cute, more like the Dior foundation, Dior Backstage foundation. KIRO products are mostly very natural looking. The brand is more into natural makeup products, like their eyeshadow sticks, their lip colors. They are more into clean beauty products. So that's the reason I think this is a really great product which does not contain any bad ingredient, and also it's good for your skin. Plus the coverage this foundation gives is insane. It's so pretty but still glowing at the same time. Now I don't know, but this is from Huda Beauty and this is their stick foundation. I will never stop talking about this foundation. It is so good. It's in the shade Toasted Coconut, which is 240N. First, when I started using this, I was like, okay, I just don't like this product, but oh my god, this stick foundation is amazing. Nothing can beat this stick foundation. Whenever I use this for any occasion or maybe anywhere I'm going, whenever I use this product, this is super long lasting, first of all. Plus I get so many compliments from other people. This product will catch everyone's attention because this looks amazing on your skin. I don't know how Huda Beauty products they work, but they just look so flawless on your skin, super long lasting. They are not really natural looking, but they are very makeup-y, very full coverage type of products, but they are so good. They work perfectly fine and they just blends really well. They work for every single skin type. In the shade C9.5, this particular concealer is so beautiful. I can literally use this as my foundation all over my face. This gives you this beautiful, natural, full coverage type of a face. Also does not make your under eye look dry, which is the best part. Sometimes a concealer can make your under eyes look very dry, very patchy, but this is not something like that. It's a soft matte concealer, so it's gonna make your under eye look very, like, sometimes I don't even use powder when I use this concealer. It just flawlessly blends out and very easy to apply as well, because I just love the applicator of this. The applicator is like a doe foot applicator, which is very interesting, very easy to stamp the product and drag it. So I love using this, especially the shade C9.5 is very close to my skin tone, so I love using this as my foundation, sometimes as my base makeup, just a little bit of dot here and there, and I just blend it. It gives me this beautiful full coverage finish. This is a full coverage concealer, so absolutely amazing. And Makeup Revolution products are my favorite. I always talk about their products. This particular concealer is also waterproof, so it's going to be very long lasting at the same time. So I definitely think if you are looking for that oil-free type of a concealer which is not going to be super hydrating under your eyes, I think this is a concealer for you. It's going to blend really nicely. It's going to make your under eye look very flawless. So the next product is Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer, and I picked this up in the shade Y9. YN9, and this is a neutral shade. The N stands for neutral. So this particular concealer, the shade range, I will say the shade range runs more towards warmer tones. So if you're looking for a more warm undertone concealer, I think you should definitely try out the Natasha Denona ones, because I guess all their shades are more towards yellow or under, you know, warm undertones. Specifically for Indian skin tones, we do have more warm skin tones. So I guess Natasha Denona concealer will work absolutely well if you have a lot more warmer or warm undertone. I have a warm undertone, as you guys can see. I have a neutral skin tone, but my undertone is quite warm. So this is a concealer which works perfectly well for me. It's a very full coverage concealer. Also, I just love the applicator of this. Picks up the perfect amount of product that you need, does not pick up a lot of product. Sometimes a concealer wand can pick up a lot of product, and once you use it, you will end up using a lot of concealer under your eyes. Like maybe you need just a tiny drop of concealer under your eyes, but you will end up using a lot more than usual. If you have a concealer applicator which is very chunky, which is very thick, make sure to use a brush, take the concealer and then use it on your under eyes. Just do not take it directly if you don't have an applicator like this. If you have chunky applicator, definitely go with a brush. So this is obviously from Natasha Denona. She's amazing. Her formulas are so good. We have a pressed powder, and this is from KIKO. I love this brand. I also used so many products from KIKO. I filmed a video of full face using KIKO products. By the way, this is their Matte Fusion Pressed Powder in the shade 09. Oh my god, this powder is so special. Like whenever I use this powder, no matter I'm using a bad foundation or a bad concealer, this powder is going to make my skin look absolutely like a filter. It is so long lasting, so beautiful, gives a very fine finish which I really love. Does not feel like a powder at all. Plus it comes with a mirror. The packaging is beautiful, does not feel cheap. And I just love this brand so much. They're very thoughtful about their products, what they're coming up with, and I think they just make some amazing makeup products. I love this powder. If you want to get one single product from KIKO, go and get the pressed powder and you will see how beautiful this product is. I don't know why, I just use this powder. I carry it everywhere with me. It's good for touch-ups. It's not going to make your makeup look cakey or dry. Also, I have a separate makeup for my everyday, and I definitely keep this for my everyday makeup. It is so good. This product is this eyeshadow palette from PAC. I think I haven't seen any video about this palette, and this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. By the way, this is a newly launched palette from PAC, and this is On The Go Glam eyeshadow palette. Amazing. I just love this palette. If you're looking for that everyday plus a palette which you can use for your occasions as well, and you just don't want it to be too much warm or too much cool tone, you just want a nude or a neutral type of a palette for you, this is the palette for you. Just look at the color story. It is so beautiful, and it comes with a high quality mirror as well. And this is what it looks like. I can compare this palette with my Natasha Denona palette, with my Patrick Ta palette, with my Morphe palette. This palette is amazing. You have so many different nude shades for your everyday makeup. You can just use this shade all over your eyelid and you are just good to go. You have so many beautiful shimmer shades, like these are intense shimmery type of eyeshadows, and you also have some smoky shades as well, just to, you know, intensify your eye makeup look. You also have these two cool tone shades which you can use if you want, and I think this whole palette, the whole color story is so amazing. PAC makes some amazing high quality eyeshadow formulas, and their formulas are, I don't know how they make it, but it's far better than Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. I have, I think, two Patrick Ta eyeshadow palettes with me. They are expensive, like literally so expensive, but I think PAC, you will get some amazing high quality eyeshadow palettes which are worth purchasing. I will say the mattes are like very buttery, velvety type of mattes, extremely pigmented and zero fallouts. Of course, if you use the black shade, you will get some fallout, but I will say zero fallout with all the other shades. They just blend and stick with your eyes perfectly, does not look patchy, just blends smoothly on your eyelid. Now I have this multi-purpose product from Lakme. This is one and done tint. I also have another tint which I'm going to talk about, but this tint is unique. By the way, this is in the shade Nude Nudge. If you see this in stock, go grab it. It is so amazing. I'm going to put a video right over here so that you guys can see how this product works. I can use this as my eyeshadow. I can use this as my blush. I can use this as my lip color in so many different ways. The shade of this is so perfect. It's like a brown nude type of a color with a pink undertone which suits Indian skin tone perfectly. They have some other shades as well. If you have more dusky deep skin, you can definitely try out some other shades. They have the entire pink, nude, orange, brown, so many different colors, and you can use this product in so many different ways. I love this multi-purpose thing about this product because it is so easy to apply and gives you this blurred out velvety finish which is super long lasting as well. This is like a mousse type of a tint. Like if you have ever used Korean mousse tint, this is something like that, and it works so well all over your face, does not disturb your foundation or whatever you have underneath. It does not disturb that. It's very pigmented, so you need just a little amount of product. You don't need too much, and I just love how it works overall. This is amazing. I just love it so much, and I don't think many people know about this product or know about this shade particularly called Nude Nudge. What we have is a skincare product, and this is from Sebamed. This is a skin, and if you are looking for that gel based moisturizer, this is a moisturizer for you because it's literally clear and it's literally like a gel. I don't know if I should call this a moisturizer. It's literally like a gel, but it's so hydrating, so lightweight, and perfect for oily skin people. If you have extremely oily skin problem, if you have acne, and you can see that whenever you use moisturizer, your skin feels very dull, very greasy, and it does not look nice on you, I think try this Sebamed Clear Gel Moisturizer. It's really good. It contains Hyaluron and Aloe Vera, which is really good for your skin, and it just absorbs into your skin within a second. So it's not going to sit on top of your skin, it will just get absorbed, plus it's going to moisturize that area really well. If you're looking for a moisturizer for your like foundation, like before using your foundation for your everyday makeup, I think this is a great product for you. Last two products I have, if you're looking for a brush cleaner, I think I purchased this from Sephora, South City Mall. This is the Makeup Forever Instant Brush Cleaner. You have so many other brush cleaners in the market, but I love this one because it does not smell like alcohol. I hate when my brush cleaner or anything which I'm like washing my brush with, when it smells like alcohol, I just hate that feeling because the brush, it just ruins the brush. I don't know why. It just makes it very dry, and my foundation does not really blend well. So when I started using this Makeup Forever one, I saw a huge difference. What I usually do, I take a tissue, I pour this product. You can just wash 10 brushes with that, like literally very dirty brushes, and I can see instantly it's clear. It's so beautiful. A genius product. The last product is this curling mousse. I have curly hair right now. I straightened my hair because of a shoot, and yeah, this is from the Curl Talk. This is their Rice Curl Complex curling foam. This is so good, very cheap. I pre-ordered this product. You can't get this in India, and I'm gonna link the page from wherever I have pre-ordered. It's NYC Beauties. This is a curling mousse which just fix my curls, does not make my hair crunchy, which I hate when you use a curling product, when your hair feels crunchy. I just hate that feeling. This is something which just like, you know, brings out that natural curl effect, but still it separates my individual curls, and it just curls my hair so beautifully, so amazingly well. It does not feel, and my hair does not feel frizzy after using this. It's amazing, comes in a mousse form, and I just love how it smells. Does not contain a strong smell. And yeah, this is very easy to apply. That's it for today's video. What do you guys think? Which product was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. That's pretty much it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.